KTM 390 Duke Best Motorcycle for Beginners. When it comes to beginner-friendly motorcycles that blend performance, technology, and street-smart style, few can rival the KTM 390 Duke. Known as the corner rocket of the entry-level segment, the 390 Duke offers new riders a thrilling introduction to motorcycling, earning its spot as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in 2025. At first glance, the KTM 390 Duke stands out with its aggressive design, sharp bodywork, and bold graphics. It's a motorcycle that looks fast even when standing still, and in truth, it lives up to the image. But what makes the 390 Duke so well suited for new riders isn't just its style or speed, it's the combination of lightweight agility, manageable power, and cutting-edge features that make it incredibly accessible. Powering the 390 Duke is a 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers around 44 horsepower and 37 Newton-meters of torque. That's more than enough for city commutes, weekend rides, and even highway travel. The engine is lively but controllable, giving beginners a taste of real sport bike performance without being overwhelming. Weighing just around 172 kilograms, 379 pounds wet, the 390 Duke is one of the lightest in its class. This low weight, paired with a trellis frame and top-tier suspension components from WP, including a 43mm upside-down front fork, gives the bike outstanding handling. Whether navigating urban traffic or carving through corners, the Duke remains stable, agile, and confidence-inspiring. The ergonomics are upright yet sporty, offering excellent visibility and control. The seat height of 820 mm (32.3 inches) might feel tall for shorter riders, but the narrow profile makes it manageable for most. The lightweight clutch and quickshifter plus feature, which allows for clutchless up and downshifting, are ideal for beginners still mastering gear changes. What truly sets the 390 Duke apart from most beginner bikes is its technology suite. The bike comes equipped with a full-color TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, dual-channel ABS, and even cornering ABS, a rare feature in this segment. The 2024 to 2025 models also include Supermoto ABS, which allows riders to disable rear ABS for more advanced braking control as they grow more skilled. Beyond its performance and tech, the KTM 390 Duke is also known for being fun. It's a bike that encourages new riders to push their boundaries, explore new roads, and build confidence with every mile. It delivers premium quality and advanced features usually found on higher displacement motorcycles, all at a price point that remains beginner-friendly. In conclusion, the KTM 390 Duke is far more than a starter bike, it's a gateway into a thrilling world of performance riding. With sharp looks, intuitive controls, and class-leading features, it's no surprise that it continues to be celebrated as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. For new riders who want excitement, technology, and room to grow, the Duke is ready to lead the way.